Hello, this is Jigo Crochet. In this video tutorial we will learn how to make this stitch. It's a very thick stitch. It has a very nice touch to it. It's like a 3D stitch. This kind of stitch is worked in multiple of 4s plus 2. So for the purpose of this tutorial I will be chaining 20 plus 2, that's 22 chains. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe for other videos updates. Thank you. Okay, I have chained multiple of 4s 20 plus 2 chains at the end to begin this stitch. Now we will skip the first chain here and then we will start crocheting single crochets along the row until we reach the end, like this. Keep doing this, single crochet in each chain until you reach the end of the row, and I will meet you there. Okay, we still have to work 2 single crochets at the end here to begin the next row, like this. Okay, so we single crochet along the row. Okay, now we will chain 2 and we will turn our work. In the first stitch here we will start our pattern, which we will repeat through all the rows afterward. So here the same stitch here, we will do a single crochet and then half double crochet in same stitch, and then a double crochet in same stitch like this, and then a triple crochet, yarn over twice in same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, like this. Now we will skip next 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and at the 4th stitch we will work a single crochet like this, and then we will continue the pattern. So in the same stitch we will do a half double crochet and then a double crochet and triple crochet, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, like this. Okay, and we will repeat. So we'll skip 1 2 3, and in the 4th 1 2 3, and in the 4th we will single crochet and then a half double crochet and a double crochet, and then the last triple crochet. The last stitch is a triple crochet, like this. Okay, continue doing this pattern until you reach the end of this row, and I will meet you there. Okay, we still have 4 stitches here, and to end the row we will do 1 single crochet at the last stitch, 1 single crochet, like this, and we ended row 1 or row 2. Now if you look here, the stitch is at the opposite side always. It will appear when we do the second row. Now the second row we will chain 2 and then we will turn our work. Now in this stitch here, the same stitch, we will work the same pattern. So we will do one single crochet and then a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a triple crochet like this. 1, 2, 3. Now we will skip next 3 stitches and we will work in the fourth, which will be the single crochet here. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will do the pattern in this stitch. So it will be one single crochet and one half double crochet, one double crochet, and one triple crochet like this. Okay, now we will continue. We will skip next 3 stitches and we will work in the single crochet here. So this is 1, 2, 3, and we will work in the single crochet, 1, and then a half double crochet and a double crochet and a triple crochet like this. Continue doing this pattern until you reach the end of the row, and I will meet you there. Okay, we have reached the end of the row. We still have 4 stitches here, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth we will work a single crochet in it to end the row like this. Okay, now we will begin the next row the same as the previous row. I will do this once, so we will chain 2 and then we will turn our work. In same stitch we will work the pattern, 1 single crochet and then 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 triple crochet like this. 1, 2, and 3, and again we will skip next 3 and we will work in the fourth, the single crochet, the same pattern like this. Double crochet and triple crochet. And keep doing this pattern until you reach the desired length. I will work some rows and I will come back. Okay, we will end this row now, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will work a single crochet at last stitch like this. Okay, now to end our work we need to do a 1 row of single crochet. So what we will do, after you reach the desired length, we will close our work or finish our work by chaining only 1, not 2, and then turn our work and then start doing single crochets across like this on top of each stitch like this. We will keep doing this until we reach the end, and I will meet you there. Okay, this is the stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for other videos updates. Thank you.